In this video, I will demonstrate how to use template feature in AddFlux. As soon as you log into AddFlux, you can see the new template section. Please click on it to navigate to templates. As you see here, templates can be assigned to the screen to logically subdivide the screen into subzones as you see fit and assign playlist to the zones. On the left side, any pre-created templates which were already assigned to the screens can be previewed in this section. On the right side, you can see some action buttons available for convenience to edit already created layout, assign it to the screens, move into folder to better organize and duplicate or delete if required. Let's start by creating a template. Here we have the options either to use the pre-created template library or create a new custom template. Click on Add from Template Library, assign name to the template, and add description if required. Select the type of the screen layout you want to create. From the scroll-down options available, observe the contents of template library change according to the selected type of screen layout. Select the resolution of the screen from the scroll-down menu available depending on the orientation of the screen. Now choose the desired template from the library by clicking on it and click Save and Next. This will open a template layout edit window. Here you can resize or reposition the zones of the selected template as you see fit. Click on Save and Next to proceed to assign this template to the screens. Select the screen to assign this template and click on Save and Next to proceed to confirmation. Please check and click Publish to publish the layout to the screen. In a similar way, we can also create a custom template by clicking on Add Template button. Enter name and description of the template and select the type of template. Here I had selected a multiple screen option and enter the number of screens per row and column in Zones section. Now enter the resolution per screen in input boxes as shown and click Save and Next to enter Template Layout Edit window. Check the preview of the layout and click on Save and Next to assign this template to a screen. Proceed to confirmation and click on Publish. Templates can be created once and use it on multiple screens or assign and unassign the template to the screen as required. Assigning playlists to the template zones of a screen is easy, as shown here. Navigate to Playlist section. Click on Assign button. Here we can see the option either to apply the playlist to a screen or to a particular zone or zones of a screen. Select the required zones and click Save and Apply to publish the content. Let's move back to the Template section. In the Action Buttons pane, before using Delete Template button, please make sure to unassign the template from any screen as shown and delete it. Here's a sample footage of the screen using template feature. Thus, I conclude this video. Thank you for choosing AddFlux.